I brought the van home from the dealership. They cleaned it out for me. The floor looks nice and shiny. What a mess it was with all that mud. But when it came back out, the ceilings were still rather grimy, and I said something about it, so the salesman got up in there and cleaned it off, which I really appreciated. But they should have done that when they had it in the shop, getting it cleaned. But anyhow, I can't complain. It's in better shape than it was. And I am going to be all set to get started. I have the kill mat. It has been delivered. I have a few other things on order. So I guess that means I'm ready to get started. I've got the kill mat in the garage waiting to be put on. I've got the rubbing alcohol to do the rest of the cleaning of the floor. I've got other things ordered that will be coming in within the next couple of days. I should be making a little bit of progress. I don't know how quickly the way I operate, but it's coming along, and I'm really getting excited now. So wish me luck. I will keep on videoing and showing you my progress. I have decided that I'm probably going to keep the black walls. I'm going to have to take them down to insulate, but they are still in good shape, and I think I can put them back up and cover them so that they'll look fairly decent. I don't know whether paint will adhere, but I will find something. It's not going to be black. I need bright and cheery. Well, I'm not going to give the detailers a whole lot of credit just yet. I think they could have done a better job. So I guess I still have some cleanup to do before I can get started. I don't know what cleaning and detailing means to them. Obviously not the same thing it means to me. I am glad that they got most of the mud out of the back of it, but this is not clean. I mean, seriously, a little wipe. I mean, I realize there's some rust there, but look at the amount of dirt that just came off there. I really think they could have done a much better job. And I was told it was power washed. You would think that the power wash would have gotten this kind of dirt off if they had concentrated on it. But for now, I'm going to quit complaining and just get busy and get it done. So right now I am going to tackle some of these rust spots. See if I can get them somewhat sanded down so I can paint over them to protect it from rusting anymore. I should probably be using my Dremel sander for this. It'd be a whole lot easier, wouldn't it? Good idea. It is now 3 or 4 days later. I went in to get my Dremel, and turns out that the batteries, which are quite old, are totally dead and not rechargeable at this point, so I have to order some new ones. I know that I have an electric powered one somewhere in my house. I will find it eventually. In the meantime, we have had some pretty dicey weather. The day after, when I said I would be back after I got my Dremel, we woke up to snow, very cold temperatures. We had another day where we had tornado watches in the area, and I don't mess around with those, especially when we had high winds and torrential downpours. I just decided to hibernate like I have been since I came home from Florida. Well, anyhow, I regress. I have decided to come back out and get another start. And really all I can do right now is the hand sanding. And I'm not going to put you through watching any more of that because it'd be like watching paint dry. And I know how exciting that can be. So I'm going to go ahead with that. And then I'm going to finish washing down the van and getting it all ready. And hopefully I can get that kill mat put on soon. Just wish me luck. And I will be back when I get to that point.